Hello, in front of me I've got GARMIN DriveSmart navigation. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. This navigation allows you to use two types of voice assistant: GARMIN inbuilt navigation and Alexa. In order to use Alexa, you'll have to connect your navigation with the GARMIN Drive app. To use inbuilt navigation, simply say, "OK Garmin, help." "OK Garmin, find Big Ben."
Which one?
In London.
Going to on Whitehall Gardens in Southwest 1, London.
And that's basically it. Of course, you can use many more commands. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.